Hello everyone, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are discussing about reporting, how ServiceNow handle reports. So first of all, what is a report? So in basic term, a report is just a representation of data in a format which you like, which you prefer. For reports, you have a separate application, but we can create reports directly from the list view as well. Let's go to incident. So this is a list, and you can say it is also one of the type of format which we use in the reports, but from here also in the list view you can generate some report. So if you right click on short description, you see you have the option to display this data in a pie chart or a bar chart. Again, if you click on priority, you can display the data. So let's click on bar chart. You see it is redirecting to a report, right? Sys report. This is the table where all the reports are saved. So basically this is a direct option to create a report. So you see here, this is the report based on priority. So now this is just a basic demonstration. Let me go to the reporting application. So just write report here. You see this is the report application. Under this you have view and run, create new, schedule. So you can create a new report, and if it is created you can see the report by view and run. Then you have the option to schedule these reports and send it to the mailboxes of other users. So now let's create on new. So you see these are the options. First of all, you have to provide name of the report. Then we have to provide the source type, like we are fetching the data from a table or from a data source. So for the timing, let's say table. And if you select table, then you have to provide the name of the table here. So let's say I'm providing incident. Select your table, then click on next. We go to the next thing, that is the type. Here you have to provide like in which format you want to see the report. Various options are there. Whatever you want you can select it from here. Okay, so let's say we want to show the data in a pie chart. Click on it. Once you select the type of the report, click on next. We go to the configure, where you can add additional filters, add additional activities to your report or data. So first of all, we have the group by. If you want to group by your data, you can do the group by here. If you have any aggregation, you can select the aggregation. Every options are available. Count, average, sum, maximum, minimum, everything is available. We are group buying it by priority. Select priority here, then click on next. Next we have the option to adjust the style. So it's basically, you know, how you want to display the report, like what color palettes you use, what are the palettes, display data level, custom chart size. So just basic configuration of this report. So now let's click on run. So the report is in front of you. You can save this report. Once the report is saved, you have the option to rerun this report whenever you need it. You can share it with anyone. Click on it. It is me, everyone, and group. Okay, if you select everyone, anyone from ServiceNow user table who has the right to see the reports is able to see the report in the instance. Or you can provide the role, like what role you want will be able to see the report. Okay, so let's say I want it to be available only for ITIL users. Let me select ITIL. Or if you want to display this report to some particular group or user, you can select the group or user from here. Okay, so let's make it for everyone who has ITIL role. If you want to schedule this report, you can do so. When you schedule the report, this report will be sent to the mailbox accordingly. Okay, if you want to schedule, click on schedule. You see here, this is the basic scheduling things. When you want to run the report, if you want it daily, select daily. If you want to have it weekly, monthly, periodically, or on demand, so you can select run options accordingly. Let's say I want to send it daily after 10 hours. To whom you want to send it, you can select the group or the users from here, or if you have some specific email addresses, you can select or add the email addresses directly, comma separated here. If you have any condition, you can select the condition and provide the condition here. Okay, and if you don't want to send the report, if there is nothing new or there is no records, in that case you can select omit if no records. Let's say whatever filter or condition you have selected and it is returning no records, in that case if you selected this, there will be no email to the user. Otherwise an empty email will be sent to the user where there is no data. So generally we keep this because we don't want to send unnecessary email when there is no data. Provide the subject, provide the message, and then in which type you want to send this report. Okay, you have the option to send it as a PDF or PDF landscape or PNG. If you want to zip the output, that is if your output is very large in number, it is a good practice to zip it. Click on it, then it will be a zip file which will be sent. And include with. Include with means if you want to include this with some other report, some other scheduled report, okay, then you can select that report here. So generally we do not use include with because we want to send separate data to the users. So this is how you schedule the report. If you click on submit, and on daily basis a report will be sent to the users because we have selected daily at 10 hours. You have the option to add it to the dashboard. Like if you want to add this report to your dashboard, you can do so. You have to provide the dashboard name where you want to add it. Okay, very simple. And then if you want to export this to PDF directly, if you want to download it now, you can click on it. You see the export is started. Click on export, download. You see this is the exported report which I get. So the same kind of report will be sent if you schedule it in the form of PDF. If you click on this, it will provide the report information you see here. So friends, this is it for reporting. If you want to create a report, you can follow the path which I have just discussed. You have the option to share it, to schedule it, and to export it. If you have any other questions, let us know in the comment sections. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.